This video shows you how to install Ring Stick-Up Cam battery, a smart battery-powered security camera that can be placed indoor or outdoor. Before you begin, fully charge the included battery by plugging it in the USB port or power supply with included cable. You'll know it's fully charged when only one of the LED light is lit. Insert the fully charged battery into your stick-up cam, then place the battery compartment cover back on and twist to lock it. Now bring your stick-up cam to the location where you plan to install it. If you plan to simply sit your stick-up cam on the surface, just place it at your chosen location. Your stick-up cam is now ready to protect you. Next, how to mount your stick-up cam on the wall. First, remove the base by unscrewing it using a Phillips head screwdriver. Reattach the base to the back of your stick-up cam. Make sure the up arrow on the bracket is pointing upwards. Once it is on, remove the mounting bracket from the base. It will slide right off. Now hold the mounting bracket against your wall with the up arrow pointing upwards and secure to your wall with the included screws. Next, slide your inner cam onto the bracket by guiding the grooves in the base onto the hooks in the mounting bracket. Your stick-up cam is now ready to protect you.